Welcome back to the vlog, bro.
What? I'm in another one? Oh my god. It's all fake. It's all skip.
Jesus. You know you can't be skipping.
Back there. She said y'all need to stop and come back over through there.
Jaden, I saw you. Why you skipping? Oh, I was never in here. Isaac, are you having problems?
Probably.
I'd say probably.
Later on, I found out that Isaac and his girlfriend broke up and his goldfish died.
You gotta get to class when you're done. Okay. What are you doing?
I gotta get to class.
Your phone's looking for you.
It's low.
Yeah, she asked me for you.
Travis. What happened? I didn't know you had that big of hops.
I'm Michael Jordan.
I'm done from the free throw line.
Is extra crummy in here? We have Anonymous. This is not Brocky Poo Jackson. He's looking good. We have KK New Boss. Looking good. We have Andrew. Oh yeah.
Come on.
We got the real Cowboys in here today.
Y'all don't want the smoke, son.
Hey, Mr. Evans. I'm just gonna take a sit. Oh, I thought you was gonna kick me out. I'm sitting down. J-Tex is in that room taking a dump. You a goofy boy, yo. Ethan. What the heck? Why'd you grab that honey bun so
Alright, bro,
fast?
keep it above 50. Oh, yo, something.
You gotta get the good line.
Deal. Okay. Alright, guys. Now, so the whole reason why I like honey buns, a whole long backstory. So back in third grade, right? Back in third grade, I got my way. It's my story I'm telling. Alright, back in third grade, I had this teacher. Ooh, real fine teacher, bro. Miss King, bro. Miss King. Anyways, okay. We was going to lunchtime. I had a honey bun. I was about to munch. Boom, munch. I was about to munch down on it. I forgot it in our class. So I go back in there, a whole nother class in there. I grab my honey bun. She's like, oh, you forget your honey bun, Ethan? And then ever since then, I've been the honey bun man.
Yes.
How do you feel about honey buns, sir?
Oh, man, I love honey buns. I can't get enough of them. Matter of fact, about a honey bun right there. Munching on anything, bro.
Is there any way we would see you to get more honey buns, sir?
Oh, yeah, you bring me a whole box of honey buns and I'm bunching things down in 30 seconds max.
I don't think we can say that on the air, but...
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
What? Let's remake the show. What do you mean?
We gotta remake the show.
We can be the people that kiss. Oh. No. Brady and you.
Come here, Daddy. If you move your arm, if you move your arm, you don't like your girlfriend.
Oh yeah, I don't mind like gray shoes and all this.
Okay. If you move your arm, you don't like your girlfriend.
Well, I guess he don't care about his girlfriend.
Whose backpack is that?
Brady's.
Who the heck is that?
Don't touch it.
Me. I'm Brady.
Yes, he did.
I'm the real one.
Be able to prove it.
Man, you look like Ice Spice.
Is that King Von?
No, bro, it's Biggie Smalls.
Is it Biggie Smalls here in the... Alex. What does he do?
Huh?
What's he doing?
Fixing a light, I think. But it doesn't look like it needs fixed to me.
That's what I'm thinking. I think you're just digging in there. Having fun. James, bro.
That's hot.
Oh God, Alex. James. Andrew, what do I do? Look at that. Oh God. Brian, what do we do?
Yeah, it's just hot.
What happened in Miss McNeil's room this morning?
Was pouring out hot antifreeze from the ceiling, and the guy was climbing the ladder trying to turn it off, and it burned his hand. It was burning. He couldn't turn it off. He's like, it's burning, trying to turn it off. And went all on the floor.
It
Mr. Hill was
did.
trying to carry that printer, and Andrew didn't even help until the last minute.
Exactly. That's it for the video, guys. Leave in the comments how you found my YouTube channel.
I got monkey AIDS.
I'd say so.